Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am kind of doing a different video. I've done cleaning videos before because I like to clean, and while my channel started out doing DIY stuff mainly, I have kind of drifted into some more things that I like. Today, this video is pretty much based around Jack. Yes, I know. It's going to be about keeping your home clean and getting rid of dog hair in your home, because that is such a difficult thing for me. I really struggle with that, and I know that people that have pets struggle with it too. So I wanted to do a video to try to help people with it, because I think I keep a pretty clean home and I just want to share my tips. Some of this stuff like I've researched, and some of this stuff like, I don't know, it's just something I've been doing for a while. I'm not really sure where it came from. And while we still love our pets, they can be very messy, right, Jack? They are messy. Kids and pets are messy, and I think the hardest part for me is just keeping up with the cleanliness and doing it daily. So all of these things I'm going to share with you pretty much have to be done on a daily basis if you do have pets that shed really bad. Jack sheds terrible. He is half pug and he sheds so bad. You do. It's terrible. I'm sorry, but I love you. All right, Jack, are you ready for this video? My first tip is getting a really good vacuum. And the vacuum I use is an Onson vacuum. I think that's how you say it. And I got this from Amazon. I will link it below if I can find it. This vacuum is so great. I love it. It seems to pick up everything. I was so amazed, and I was embarrassed that I haven't had it. You know, for the longest time I would just sweep, and I was just sweeping pet hair around. It wasn't actually getting it the way this vacuum does. This vacuum is really great because it has a little brush on the side of it, and you can actually change that brush out, and you can order more of those separately. I think it comes with like 2 extra ones. It's good with the brush because it gets the corners, and the corners of my home are what collect the most dust and dog hair. I would highly recommend this vacuum. I love it. The only thing I don't like is that sometimes it does get stuck. A lot of the times though, it does resolve itself and it'll back out of the corner or whatever that it gets, the object or whatever it gets stuck on. So you do have to watch for that, which is with all those automated vacuums. But the cool thing is if I leave it and I come back and it's stuck, it turns off, so it's not going to waste the battery or anything. It's really good just for hardwood. I'm not sure about carpet. I only have carpet on my stairs in my house, so that leads me to number 2, which would be baking soda. Baking soda is great for carpet, and I use this on my stairs, and I sprinkle it on there and then I just vacuum it when I'm done. Keeps everything smelling really fresh. And I do this I try to do this every month or so. I notice if I wait a few months, it'll get kind of smelly and just, you know, dog smelling, and I want to keep my home smelling fresh. So I do use, I mean, you can use any of them. I just get a box of it at Dollar Tree. I try to get the pet one or the extra strength one. They both work great. Any of them work good. Number 3, I like to use this thing called a Lilly brush. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I was doing before this. So it's just plastic and it has rubber on the outside, and all you do is just scrape it wherever you want to get pet hair off. So you can use it on a couch, you can use it in your car, you can use it on carpet. I mean, it's just great for everything. Sometimes I don't even vacuum my car out. My car is a whole different story. There's so much dog hair in there. But when I use this, like every week or so, it really makes a difference. And I would highly recommend this. I will link this below where you can get it. I purchased this off Amazon. And number 4 is going to be change bed sheets. I know that sounds a little bizarre, but it does make a difference, because when you change your bed sheets, there are dog hairs all over them, or your cat, or whatever animal you have. If they're sleeping in your bed, they're going to get hair in it if they shed terribly. So it's good to change your sheets and your pillowcases. I try to do this once a week or every 2 weeks. It depends how busy I am, but it really does make a difference, because when your dog gets off the bed, then the hairs just go everywhere. Which leads me to number 5, which is dusting. Dusting, of course, is going to keep your home clean and, you know, free of lots of pet hair. I try to dust every day or every other day. I will dust certain things in my home on certain days. I usually just use paper towel and Windex on most areas of my home, which kind of leads me to number 6, sort of, which is get a leather couch. That makes such a huge difference. It's been so much easier for me to clean. I clean it every day. I use leather wipes with Windex, and it works great. It's actually like a half leather couch, so if you have a leather couch, you probably shouldn't use the Windex on it, but since it's like partly leather, it's been okay for me to use it. So I spray the Windex on it, and then I just use my leather wipes and wipe everything away. I feel like the leather wipes and the Windex combined, I don't know, like it just really works for the pet hair. Like it gets everything off, and it's like it kind of repels it. And number 7, kind of common sense, but brush your dog. And I guess you could bathe your dog in that one as well, in that same category. I don't always bathe Jack like I should. I need to wash him like once a week, but it ends up being like 2 weeks, and that's just too long. So I need to take my own advice. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Like, those are all of my pet hair tips and tricks. I really hope that this helped y'all. If you have any questions, please let me know. Comment below. Do you have pets? Do you have any other tips that you would like to share? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I upload all kinds of videos. I do fashion, I do hauls, I do a lot of Goodwill videos, which is coming up very soon. And I do just weird, wacky stuff because that's what I want to do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video. Can you say bye to everyone? Yeah. I love you. You shed a lot, don't you? Always cleaning up after you, but you're worth it.